Kakadosh Boker, we're just continuing with halachot. There's an entire siman in Shulchan Aruch, but it's only 8 seifim, which speaks about Erev Pesach shechal yot b'Shabbat. We already spoke about Shabbat HaGadol, and we spoke about the Haftarah is still going to be on the regular Shabbat HaGadol. The opposite. Some people say that you only say the Haftarah of Gareva only when it comes out like this year. So therefore the Haftarah of Shabbat HaGadol is still going to be the Shabbat Mamash Erev Pesach. However, though the Derashot are going to be the week before in order to learn the halachot. What about now Bedikat Hametz? So now we know that usually Bedikat Hametz is always going to be the 14th at the night. This time it will be done through on Friday night. So how does it work? So therefore the halacha states that you're going to do what Shulchan Aruch Sif Aleph says, you're going to check on the 13th at night, which means on Thursday night. You're going to check, you're going to burn everything before the Shabbat, and you're going to leave over mazon shte seudot letzorech Shabbat. You're going to leave over 2 seudot of Shabbat because of seudah shlishit, because you can't do it obviously not with matzah, not with chametz, but only with matzah shira. We're going to speak about it another time, the concept of the seudah shlishit. How do you do it this year? V'tzarich la'asotah kodem sha'asirit, and you have to do it before the 10th hour. So therefore, what happens is that here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing it on Thursday night. You're going to do Bedikat Hametz. Now it's going to be like a regular Bedikat Hametz, and you're going to have to do it with the beracha. You put the 10 pieces, everything else. What happens now if a person forgets? So there's going to be a machloket acharonim. Some people say that technically if a person did forget, you could get a goy to come and to carry the candle for you. Because there's a whole question that here at the end of the day, Tiltul Ner is only an Isur D'Rabbanan, and therefore it's going to be a positive commandment for the Bedikat Hametz. So, but still the Achronim, they argue on that, they say it doesn't work. Why? Because since we know that you could do Bitul Chametz, and Bitul Chametz helps, so therefore what you're supposed to do is just do Bitul. So if a person forgot this year on Thursday night to do Bedikat Hametz, he will not do the Bedikat Hametz on the Friday night. What he'll do is he'll do Bitul, he'll annul the Chametz in his mind. By doing that, he's already fulfilled the mitzvah doraita of the Biur Chametz, and then that's it, and he won't come and start asking the goy to come and start taking the candle around. Now, on the Shabbat morning, the Mishnah Berurah does bring down that we have to pray very quickly, right? He says, "Velo yarichu arbe." Why? Since that morning, anyway, what's happening is that you have to make sure that you're eating the meal and you get rid of all the chametz early. You cannot come and start singing, and then what happens is, they come home and they're borderline at the time that they're not allowed to eat chametz. Remember, you're not allowed to eat chametz right until the 11th hour. So what you do is that you're going to the 10th hour. So what you're supposed to do is that you pray earlier, which means that you're going to shorten, that you don't have such a long tefillah, and by doing so, you're not going to get any problems whatsoever. A lot of people, even that morning, they try to do the nets, and then they try to do 2 seudot, right, which again, Bezat Hashem, we'll try to speak about another day, Bezat Hashem.